Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making a garden painting. So to get started with this painting, you will want some old gardening magazines or seed catalogues, because we will need to cut pictures out of them. So with your loved one, you can choose some pictures to cut out. As you can see here, I've got a little bit of a variety. I've got some flowers, some animals, and some fruit and veggies, and a lawnmower. Once you've got a few pictures cut out, you can grab a regular sheet of paper and glue your pictures using your disappearing purple glue onto the sheet of paper. The next step after this is to paint in around your pictures that you have glued on to create a garden scene. And just a funny note about this project, when I've used it in the past with clients, they seem to do very well with this concept of creating their own scene with the pictures that they glued on. Interestingly enough, it was the volunteers who do not have Alzheimer's that struggled with it. It seemed that the concept of creating a garden scene was too abstract for them, especially for the ones that do not consider themselves to be artistic. This is one of those projects where we as art therapists would say, trust the process. So just trust that your loved one has imagination and that they're able to do something fun with the paint. So there you have it, an example of a garden painting. I hope you have fun with this project. If you know anyone who would benefit from watching this video or from any of my other videos, please feel free to share them. Also, remember to hit that like button and to subscribe as well. It's free to do so, and I put out a new video every weekend. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.